Today I'm going to show you how to make a gluten-free rustic loaf of bread. We start off with gluten-free flour, then we add yeast, active dry yeast, lukewarm water, and mix it well. Once it is nice and mixed, we then add our salt. To that, after about 2 to 3 minutes of more mixing, we add olive oil. Once that's been added, mix well until you have a uniform dough. That dough will be nice and loose and tacky, as we're showing right here. Form it into a dough ball, and then we're going to place that in a floured tea towel inside of a colander. Cover it, set it off to the side, and let it double in size. This is what it looks like. Now we have a preheated pan that we're then going to take this loaf and place it down into. This is going to go back into your oven, but before you do, make sure you slash it across the top with a razor blade or a knife, cover it, and then place it in your oven. This is going to bake for about 20 minutes. Once you take it out, it's not going to be completely browned, so make sure that you don't burn yourself. And now we're going to add our melted butter across the top. This is going to help in the browning process. Place it back in the oven and let it brown, and then carefully remove it from the still very hot pan, and you have a beautiful loaf of bread. You would never guess that this is gluten-free. Has the nice thump, and look at that crumb. Hope you enjoy.